Hi guys, Nagaraj here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new for this channel, please do subscribe. Yeah, hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll see how to merge two linked lists. Previously, we saw that how to merge the array list, and in this video, we are looking into the linked list, how we can merge it. So, basic about customizing the linked list, I have already made a video. Let me put that into the description so you can refer that before getting to this video, so it is easy for you to understand. Okay, the given input is list 1 is 1, 2, 3. The list 2 we have the value 3, 7 and 4. List 1 should be order and list 2 also in order, and final output will be the ordered value, but there should be the ascending order. So in this case, while merging, I should take 1, 2, 3, then I should take 4, then I should take 7 and 9. Okay, so this is, we can see 1, 2, 3 saved here, right? But internally it is saved something like that. Each element will be considered as a node. Okay, each considered as a node, and it is considered node 1 and node 2 and node 3. And each node consists of two parts. One part will be the data, second part will be the next link. Each node next pointer means we can consider it is a pointer. Each element next pointer will be connected to the next node data. Okay, here also it is connected to the node. It is connected to the node actually. And final data, because the 4 is the last data here, the last data next pointer will be connected to the null. That means it's the end of the element is ended up here. And similarly for list 2 also we have 3, 7, 9. 3, 7 internally it is structured something like this, 3, 7 and 9. So now we will see how logic we can use so that we get the output something like this. Initially pointer will be pointed to the first element. The L1 list 1 data means linked list 1 data pointed to the first element. Here also it is pointed to the first element. So now we need to compare first L1 and L2 first data, right? So in this case, right, if the L1 is less than L2, then I will save this value. I will take one more link. Okay, let me create one more linked list 3. So once I taken the output as a 1, I will shift this pointer to the next element. Okay, so now we need to compare 2 with element 3. Now in this case again I'm comparing which one is lesser than. So in this case L1 is lesser than L3, so I will add 2 here. Okay, so again once I move 2 here, I'm making this pointer to the next element. Now I am comparing 3 and 4. In this case 3 is lesser than 4, so I am moving to the 3 here. Once I move 3, I need to move L2 cursor, I will move to the next element. So again I am comparing 4 with 7, so 4 is lesser than 7, so I am moving 4 here. So as it is end of this element, right, end of this list 1, so now left with the 7 and 9. So whatever the left out, right, 7 and 9, I will move to the final value 7 and 9 here. Okay, so this is my expected output. I initialize with the value 0. While initializing L3, I will make it 0. Then I will add 1 by 1. So total value we have, final value we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. So while printing out, I want only this much. Right? So output value I will consider from the second position, because this value I already initiated, right? I don't want to take this value. Remaining value I will consider for my output. This is my overall logic which I am going to implement in the program. Let me open Eclipse. So I already written some piece of code. So first I will tell you L1 and L2 I have defined here. L1, this complete code is for L1. Okay, this is just a declaration I have done this. Okay, and header 1 and header 2, this I have declared because of I need a header pointer here. That's why I declared something like this, because I need to navigate, right? This node I will consider as a header 1 and header 2. Okay, this is header 1 because this is header 2. So that's what I have declared there. Okay, this for these two purpose. And here the node declarations. Okay, how this already explained. I don't want to explain you again because it will takes a lot of time. Inside public static while main, I have declared the variable 1. So linked list, this one I have declared here. How I declared here, see, we can see that here. Node 1, node 3, 1, 2, 6 I have declared. So if you want, let me take the same value 1, 2, 4. Let me take 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2, 4 I have taken. Here E1 value, first element I am declared to the header 1. That's what I meant. But this is the first element, right? So this first element I will assign to the header 1 because I want the starting position of the linked list 1. And here the element 2 should be pointed to the list 1 next value. Element 2, this is the value, is pointed to the node 1 first value. Similarly, 3 value added. Okay, so this value I just displayed for the console here. Nothing, I'm not doing anything else here, just displaying this output because I want to get this output as a console. But once I run the program, right, it will be easy for you to get what input we have given for L1, what input we have given for L2. See, just I have declared L1 and L2. Just declared L1. Here I am passing all. Here just I am passing this header value. Let me take some other value, other color. Okay, here just I am passing. Just a minute. Okay, here I'm displaying L1. So one by one we are displaying. We have 1, 2, 4 will be displayed in the console. 1, 2, 4 will be displayed. Similarly, I have assigned one more list 2. List 2 assigned. Here I have taken some different value. So let me take the thing 379 here taken, right? Let me assign 374. Okay, 374 only is there, and I am displaying the value. It is header 2 value I am displaying. As we have taken the header 2. Header 2 means one by one it will display. I kept some while loop, right? So one by one it will display. Okay, here again I am assigning L1, L2 because already my header 1 pointing to the last one, right? Null it is pointing because as I displayed the value here, as I displayed next while displaying the value, my header pointing to somewhere here, right? Last positions. Okay, so I want to take it back to the first element, right? That's why I am moving to the L1 and L2 because I need to pass L1 and L2 to the method where I have written the merging the two list. Here because once the merging is done here, I am assigned to the L3. I am displaying the L3 value here. Okay, final output I am displaying. But in this video, we need to concentrate mainly on, we are focusing on the merge to list, how to merge these two values. Okay, we'll see how we can utilize this method to merge the two linked list value. Okay, I have taken the one customized method. It returns the linked list for me, and I'm taking list 1 and list 2. In this example, these two are the input for these two are the input, right? List 1 and list 2 I have taken here. Okay, now I am checking. In the first two lines says that if the L1 is null, definitely L2 should be written. If L1 is don't have value, then no need to merge anything. Simply I can display the L2 only, right? That is the meaning there. And if the L2 is null, if the value L2 is null, then in that case, right, directly I can display L1 value. That's why I have written. Okay, that's why I have written these two values. Okay, first I am declaring list 3 as I mentioned right here. As I mentioned here, like I have initializing the L3 with the value 0. Okay, I initialize the value with the value 0. That's why initially I am displaying some values. So L3 value, okay, I initialized with the value 0, and cursor I am moving actually because I need to navigate till the end of my. I need to keep on add, right? That's why I need to keep on add this value. That's why cursor I am making. I just added the cursor here because L3 I am adding the cursor. Now here the code is like, if the while L1 and L2 is not equal to null, then only execute these steps. Okay, let me explain in proper way. Something like I need list 3, right? List 3 final value. So this will be look something like, okay, I have initiated here the value something 0. Here I have initiated L3, I initiated a value with a 0. So internally how it works? Something like this. It will work with the 0 value. Okay, now we have L3 with the 0 value. Now once we are moving to this one, right? Cursor will be pointed to here now. Now cursor will be pointing to this one. Now L1 cursor will be current cursor because I am moving some cursor value here, right? This is the node 1. Now cursor will be here, node 1. So now L1 data will be these L1 data will come here. Something, it is linking. Okay, I'm linking these two values. It is just linking the two values. L1 is pointing to the L1. Now in the L3 we have data 0 and 1 now. Now next step is we are comparing, because L1 value should be moved to the next level, right? So the cursor will be moved to here now. Now cursor is pointing to the next positions. Now again checking for the second data. The 2, 3, which one is less? The 2 is less. Again it is moving the L2 here. Let me go for this one only. It is moving to the L2. It is data is 2 and is the next node. Okay, now it is connected. In the next run, what will happen? Again it will go to the next cycle. The current positions will be going to the next. It will keep on increasing, right? The cursor is moving, the one loop is moves, your cursor of the LL3 should also get moved. So in that case, now 3 and 2 should compare. In that case 2 is compared, so 2 is less than 3, so 2 is moved here. Now we should compare with the 3 and 4 in next cycle. The 3 and 4 should come here. So 3 and n, so it is connected. Similarly you will get this value. So final output. So similarly final value will be, so it is keep on continues till we get the null value. The final value of this one will be 9. And next value, in next always by default it will connect to the null only. So final output we have. So what is the final output we have? Along with these data we have one more also. We have 0, because initially we have keep these things, right? That's when we have that way. And this one, because at the last we have added one more line, because final value which is not possible to compare, right? If L1 is 0, so these two values no need to compare anywhere, right? In that time we are moving the next element, next current data into the, see, if the L1 is null and we are moving to L2 to the, because we need a final data, right? That's why we are adding this one data. Okay, now finally we are returning LL3 dot next, because we need LL3 starts from here, because we don't want the first element. We are returning LL3 dot next, so it takes the data from 1 to 9. So here final output, so it takes the value from 1 to 9. So let's see here in this program. Okay, only this much you need to understand, guys, like how to merge these two values. First we are taking the two values, and if any one of is null, the another list will be returned. First we are taking the assign with the 0, and any of the cursor is required for that. And if not equal to null, then you should get inside. If whichever is less, you are assigning to the current values, right? So it is keep on continue till the end of the linked list. Finally the left out value will be added here, and finally we returning the list 3. As we are not including the 0, so we are passing returning LL3 dot next. So let me run this program. We'll see, we'll understand. Right click, run as Java application. See, list 1 value 1 2 3, list 2 is 3 7 9, and list 3 is 1 2 3 4 7 and 9. So if I didn't add this next, right, if I didn't add this, it will take the initial value also, because that is not required for us, right? So it is included the initially we defined value also, it has taken. So we don't want that. That's why we should return only the from the second element. Okay, it got this value. So this value I have displayed, this display to display these two value only, I have added additional column here, right? This is this one. This one will add, yeah, this is for list 1 displayed here, list 2 displayed, and final output we are displaying here. Okay, this is the final output. These are the 3 value we are displayed, first L1, L2 and L3. Yeah, that's all for this, guys. So this is asked in one of the interview, that's why I have taken up this example. I'll put the description like how to customize how to make the customized linked list, and also how to merge the two linked array list also. I will put it in the description, so you can go and check out those video as well. And finally, thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit like button and please share with your friends, those who are looking for the Java concept. And also don't forget to subscribe this channel for further useful videos guys. Thank you.